Hi guys, it's your girl A. Marie, and I'm coming back at you guys. This is another top that I made, and guys, I like bold different stuff. You guys can see one side of it has this huge fringes going off to the side, and then this side does not. It goes off the sleeve, got a little chain thing here. I actually made some jeans, and I don't know what I did with them, because I made this a while back, but I like different weird stuff. So I probably either wear this with these blue jean denim gym shoes I have, or I don't know, these denim boots I have. But it's like, it's a weird, crazy top. But I wanted to show you guys. I made it. Got some spikes going up here. And the ripped effect. And I actually did a little spray. Did a little painting. Gave it a little gold effect. So, my little crazy top that I made. And I think I should rip this more. I give this more of a rip effect. Or if I should do it and have it to have a clean edge. So one ripped edge and one clean edge. But this is my over the top, and this top that I made, I call this one Pure Rage. Alrighty guys, bye.